Daisy makes the fun last forever. Daisy.
So you're looking for something a little bit more than the traditional pool cover roller. The Daisy Power might be the thing for you. What is the Daisy Power? The Daisy Power is our newest roller in the Designer series, guaranteed to look great while offering the convenience of an electric roller. The Daisy Power roller is a simple, easy to use electric option that allows you to roll up your pool cover with the press of a button. What does it come with? The Daisy Power package comes with a battery-operated electric roller, charger and 2 remotes. There's also a disengage mechanism which allows for freewheeling, so you can roll out or roll up the cover, a feature that's unique to Daisy. There's also an option to go solar, meaning a Daisy Power roller is always ready to go.